If you are seeing an acupuncturist and are ready to learn more about TCM nutritional wisdom and how to apply it in your kitchen, then this collection of 6 cookbooks is for you. The TCM Cookbook Series helps you transform your health through the 5 elements and food therapy by understanding and treating the most common health conditions. All these fantastic TCM cookbooks, written by Dr. Evan Pinto and Kimberly Ashton, are available on Amazon.com in paperback and ebook formats. The series includes The Fundamentals of TCM, Managing Dampness, Smoothing Your Liver Qi, Cooling the Heart Fire, Improving Immunity, and Nourishing Your Kidneys. The cookbooks are either sold separately, as ebooks and in paperback, or, if you are really serious about eating healthy, you can get the complete TCM Cookbook Series, a collector's edition. It has all the cookbooks together in one paperback edition. Just search Dr. Evan Pinto on Amazon, and the books will show up on the Amazon results page. It's that easy. Dr. Evan Pinto is a licensed acupuncturist and board-certified herbalist. He has been practicing in Shanghai, China since 2012. Along with treating patients, he is a professor at SMIC Institute of TCM in the Philippines and has also taught at Shanghai University of TCM. Kimberly Ashton is a 5 Elements wellness coach, food educator, and author who helps people achieve their health goals by integrating Western nutrition and East Asian culinary wisdom. Her focus at Qi Food Therapy is to support your journey towards better balanced life energies. Go to Amazon.com and search Dr. Evan Pinto to order your TCM cookbooks today.